Design thinking is
how to make a business designing.
You try to dig deep into the customer needs
and try to create from something big, something small.
You will solve that problem with shorter time, shorter price, and short energy.
The summer school is on innovation and energy.
My name is Serai, I'm from China.
My name is Sanyogita and I'm from India.
My name is David and I'm from Germany.
My name is Muluna Abebe and I came from Ethiopia.
We all come from different backgrounds, so we have different ways of thinking.
You work in a team and you get all the ideas of all team members. But first you have to find out what you really want to ask the people. When you have the idea in your mind, the challenge, what's the problem I need a solution for, you go outside, you interview people, which might be your potential customers, and try to find out the real need you want to satisfy with your product or service afterwards. So then afterwards you come back and try to find out your ideal customer. What is my target group I want to design the product for? And when you have this, you try to find as many solutions as you can. You go broad, you just produce ideas, and afterwards you focus on one of them. You build a real prototype, and you go outside on the street again and you show it to people you would like to sell or offer the service or product to, and get their opinion back. And this might be several times you go back, go outside and correct your prototype afterwards. Until you have the ideal prototype in the end. We include field trips or guided tours, and this year we visited a research center. They do some research on smart home, for example, how the interaction between the different facilities could work and how this could all be integrated in the grid. And it was very interesting, I think, to get an impression of what could be a solution for the energy saving problem.
From the course that I mostly enjoyed part is how you think in multi-dimensional direction to get ideas and doing in group. So at last, like, you can get a bigger image.
To gain new insight into a certain area and create something from it.
We actually go on streets, interview people. So this is where dynamics comes in, and this is where everything can change.
It gets me more motivation to be an innovator in the future.